Greetings from Asktenali, and we will be looking at goal setting. Sam is working as a sales executive. He is working in a multinational company, and he has heard about goals, why they are important in his life, and is interested to know how to set the goals so that he can also achieve success in his professional life. Goals based on time can be referred to as short term, medium term, and long term. But again, goals should also be smart. What is smart? It should be specific. It should be related to a specific set of achievements. Measurable. It should be measurable. At the end of the day, it should be quantified. Acceptable. It should be legal. It should be something which is professionally okay. Realistic. It has to be based on data, logic, and reasoning. And also, there is a time factor involved, isn't it? So, once you understand that you have got goals, and goals are short term, medium term, long term, also goals have to be smart. Goals can also be sort of classified under different sets also. Some may have educational goals, what to study further. Some may have specific career goals, which position to achieve at what time. Some will have materialistic goals, when to buy a car, whether to go for a house with a very fashionable villa, whatever it is. These are all materialistic goals. It can also have health goals. Some people want to reduce weight, some want to get fitter, and also some may have spiritual goals, how much to achieve and all that. So they are also classified based on a specific category. Whatever it is, we want to achieve success, we need to have goals. Goals tells you what to achieve, when to achieve, how to achieve. And there is a meaning of life, and it involves both your personal life as well as professional life. So set your goals, achieve them, and I wish you every success. We at Asktenali conduct number of seminars. Our website is www.asktenali.com.